Welcome to Solex, where innovation meets precision in professional refrigeration. Solex Refrigeration is the first company in Indonesia specializing in commercial refrigeration for the food service and hospitality industry. We are proudly located in the Semarang industrial zone, operating a 7,000 square meter facility that integrates manufacturing, research and development, and quality assurance under one roof. At Solex, we listen closely to the specific needs of the market and industry professionals, turning those insights into refrigeration solutions built for performance and durability. Backed by a dedicated team of experienced engineers, skilled technicians, and trained professionals, we maintain strict quality control based on internationally recognized standards, ensuring that every product meets our promise of excellence. It is our honor to welcome you to Solex, where innovation, reliability, and performance are combined in every unit we build. Solex, quality refrigeration excellence.